Okay guys, I have to show you something super interesting here. So this Trachycarpus palm tree was given to me in the late 1980s from a couple of friends. And I planted it here in this spot, which wasn't the best growing location because there was a 40-foot eucalyptus tree. And there, where that date palm is, was a massive native Thuya plicata western red cedar tree. The roots from that tree and the roots from that eucalyptus tree infiltrated this whole garden and sucked the life out of this palm tree. So it just sat there and sat there forever. So on February 12th, 2021, we had the eucalyptus tree cut down, we had the cedar tree cut down, actually we had these 20-foot strawberry trees cut down, but they're all growing back, Arbutus unido strawberry trees. So since that time, this palm, since it doesn't have any more root competition, I've made sure to break off all the growth from the eucalyptus so it's dead now. This palm has decided to speed up in growth and actually produce seed. It's a female. So what I'm going to show you right now, it's late summer 2022. From this point to this point is new trunk growth this season. All right, so I'm going to measure it, and I hope there's a lock on here. Is there a lock on this measuring tape? Better be. How much has this palm grown? So we'll go to, hold that there. It has grown about 22 inches in trunk. It's grown 22 inches in trunk this season. That's how fast it's grown with no root competition, and I have to admit I do water it every single day. I soak this palm down every single day. So with no root competition and good irrigation, this palm has been growing like a weed. It's been pumping the fronds out, and who knows how much more it's going to grow. So stay tuned for a video. It's a Trachycarpus fortunei palm. There's the chainsaw palm. That's also grown a lot of trunk as well, and that's the one they cut it down with a chainsaw to get to that eucalyptus tree. So there it is. So stay tuned for an update on this very fast growing and happy Trachycarpus fortunei palm that has, it's like it's on steroids, but it's not. And I have given it some palm food too. All right. So there it is. There's the growth. We'll put it right down. I can see that's a new petiole there. Right there. That's new this year. You can see the fiber, see the fuzz on it. Right. So 22 inches of growth in one season on a windmill palm, Salt Spring Island. Thanks for watching. Cheers.